From relieving roughness to soothing skin, there's Before and then there's Aquaphor.
Shouldn't your sleep be finely tailored too? Now it can. Designed for the best sleep of your life.
Whoa. Hello, everyone. I am back. Welcome back. Hopefully, you are all having a good day. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh. Uh, I. I'm also having a good one. Ooh. Wait, why isn't this capturing? Hold on. Anyway, what's going on? I don't know. Let's check the news, shall we? To see if there is anything worth talking about. Is this working? Looks like it's not. I don't know what's going on. Hello? Is anyone there? Yeah, why isn't this working? Alright, it should be working. Uh, why it's not, I have no fucking clue. Um, let's launch this as well. Why not? Just throw everything in there. Alright, so yeah, let's check the news. Sorry. Everything will be figured out momentarily. Alright, so yeah, what did we do yesterday? Yesterday, we looked at the beginning. We looked at Mr. Ziggy's episode 2, which, for the most part, still laying out the groundwork. I'm excited, I guess, for his next episode because that's when he'll dive into uh, actually showing, I guess, his workflow a bit. So yeah, can't wait to see how that turns out. Um, but yeah, apart from that, we dove also into Godot a little bit. It started off first with like not really knowing what we're going to do with it. Um, but in doing so, it sort of made me think about what we could use it for, and um, and what we could possibly do. We were also working on trying to get the model, Erica specifically, to react based on my mic's sound. So yeah, and we didn't actually accomplish that because I'm still not 100% knowledgeable on Godot's methods and their outputs, but luckily their what's it called? Um, their documentation seems pretty good. So yeah. Also, oh hello, Broly. How are you? Hey, I just remembered the intro file you gave me. If you remember last time, my PC crashed, but with that file also got corrupted. When loading in Blender, it says it isn't made in Blender. I just remembered the intro file you gave me. Intro file. If you remember last time my PC crashed, file also got corrupted. Oh, what file are you talking about, Broly? I think I've only given you two files, and the most recent one was the living room one. Um, unless there's another one that I'm forgetting. What the fuck? What did I just look at? It got corrupted? Oh! Is it friendly money? You don't need a. Should I save this? Ah, it's whatever. I don't care. Um. Are you asking for the file again? So stupid. Anyway, um, I do want to check out a couple of things. This looks interesting. I want to see. Oh, there's a playtest. Whoa. I don't know if the playtest is still active. I'll see. Hold on. What else did I want to look at before we begin? Oh yeah, this one. All right. Yeah, I was thinking of completing it. I got that itch of incomplete work. Oh, okay. Yeah. Give me 1 second. I do still have the copy version. I think I just all I have to do is upload it again to that website. That what is it? Here, move out of the way. And I'll send it to you again in a moment. 1 second. Because I assume this doesn't work, right? Oh yeah, transfer expired. Okay. Yeah. All right. It's a shame it got corrupted. Because from last time I was watching you work on it. It looked pretty good. Do I have it? I think it's in here, right? Copy. Wait, what? Did it work? Wait, hold on. Ah, there we go. Smite is paid game. Epic showing Smite 2 free. Oh, I think. Well, Smite 1 wasn't paid, but I think they had like an early access for Smite 2, and I think that was paid. I haven't really kept up too much on what's going on with Smite. I did used to play a lot of Smite back in the day, although I only played like the sort of fun mode, quote unquote. I didn't really play it like a MOBA should be played because I'm bad. I think this should work. Hold on, let me send this to you. Epic, 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 epic. What is Epic saying? Let me see. So yeah, why isn't it showing still? Hold on. It's a MOBA, never mind. Yeah. Well, you can play it like a MOBA. I never really played the MOBA aspect of it. I mostly played like the arena mode where you just kind of get thrown in a big circle, and fight, pretty much. And I didn't really like the the MOBA version of it, because I wasn't very good at MOBAs, and I didn't really care to be good at it. I don't. Hold on. I have Godot open, but for some reason it's not being captured. I don't know why. Or it looks like maybe it is being captured, but I think the transform is... No. Weird. Hmm. I still have Deadlock, but I should delete now. Seems to me it's sad. Yeah, I mean, I haven't really heard too much about Deadlock since we stopped playing it. I don't know. At some point, I guess I got like deadlocked out. I had enough of Deadlock. And not only that, I haven't looked at it at all. I feel like it's a bit intimidating to try to get back into it. It probably changed and added so many new things that I feel like I'll be behind in learning. I don't know. I think I'm good. The game is really long. What am I trying to do? It's still not showing up. Hold on. Let me try you. Okay, that works. We'll go with that again. I guess, I mean. Not even that YouTubers aren't making content on it that much. That tells a lot. Oh, I guess. Although, to be fair, I haven't really been looking for that content. So I have no clue what's going on with it. They're probably making content about Marvel Rivals, since that's the most recent thing that came out. The newest hype game. All right. Let me put some music on because why not? I probably need to like close out of a bunch of tabs now that I'm done with this. Cause yeah. All right. Sorry. I was trying to figure this out. Why it wasn't showing, but I figured it out, so it's whatever. All right. Oh yeah. I turned him into a VRM the other day. And I put him in Desktop Mate. And now he's there, but he acts a bit funky. I think it's because he needs a neck bone. Or something, I don't know. It's very funny. Alright, so yeah, like I said earlier, yesterday we were in the middle of trying to get this model to change blend shapes based on microphone sound. And I said yesterday as well that my goal was to try to do it alone off stream. And if I could do it, then I would report back to you. And if I couldn't, then, you know, we would see. He's trying to be an eldritch creature. Yeah, his animations aren't that great. I could give him head pats. There we go. Fantastic. Fantastic creature. Yeah, he turned out a bit janky, but it's fine. I'll probably try again and see if I could try to make it so that his animations aren't so fucked. Also reminds you of Pac-Man secret levels. Yeah, he does sort of have that sort of Pac-Man going a look for him. The way he opens his mouth. It is reminiscent of a Pac-Man type of idea. Where were we? So yeah, we are back. Welcome back. There's a few things that I need to talk about. So I did manage to figure out how to get her to change blend shapes based on the microphone. Now, I think in OBS I do have some sort of like microphone filter that hold on, where is it? Where can I see that? So microphone filters to reduce like noise and stuff like that. Filters. Yeah, I have a compressor. I thought I had a noise thing, but maybe I don't. So yeah, it's a bit different in Godot. It captures a lot more audio than I would want it to. All right, so first things first, a few things to note. Number one, I needed to add a camera. Without the camera, the debug menu wouldn't show her, and even if I told her to change blend shapes, she won't change in the viewport. She would only change in the render of the camera. So that's one thing that I guess realized. Whatever. I could probably delete this. Let me delete this. I don't need that anymore. Oh. Okay, no, everything's fine. What else? All right, let's look at the code. There's a lot of like testing print code that I need to delete, as well as like the beginning stuff that I was doing, because it's all just a bit. There's probably a bunch of other useless stuff that isn't being used. But I was just trying a bunch of stuff, and this is what worked out. So number two was that for some reason, I don't know why, the tongue shape key just does not work. Because I've tried to do this with the tongue shape key, and it just doesn't work. So I have to switch to a different shape key. That shape key being the jaw open, being number 2026, which I put in manually. Obviously, I could set up a thing so that it fetches it or whatever. But I just decided to do it manually because I was, trying to actually get it to work first before I even started doing any of that stuff. So yeah. New tongue is about moving so less that you can't see it. I thought that was the issue. So I set the what's it called? The movement of the value of the blend shape to like 100, and it still didn't move. So I don't know what was going on with the tongue and why that shape key, that shape key itself was broken. But because of that, I thought that it wasn't working when it actually was working. And it was just the tongue shape key being dumb or whatever. All right, so I set up two new variables, test and volume. Volume gets the, wait, where did I do that? Test is the, I believe it's the, where is it? It's the spectrum analysis effect in this bus. You sure that blend shape has data? Yeah, because if I look into her actual body, why is this taking a while? Okay. If I look into her actual body and I move the tongue to 1, she actually does stick out her tongue. But for some reason, it doesn't work. anywhere else. I don't know why. It's very weird. What is it? Sorry. So tests takes the spectrum analysis bus, and then the volume variable tests to see if there is any sound going through, or sort of gets the sort of magnitude. And a basically test, is the magnitude greater than 0? Is there sound coming through? And if there is, then change the blend shape to jaw open, and if it isn't, then, you know, close the jaw. Here, let me delete this. And so yeah, it does work. The reason why I brought up the fact that, you know, my mic has like some sort of suppression so you can't hear everything, I think, in OBS, is that it doesn't matter if my mic, what was I gonna say? I don't know. It could still hear small things, so it automatically like makes the jaw open. So the only way to sort of make it work is to mute my mic, to sort of close the jaw. I want to see. Hold on. Can you guys see what I see? Whoops. Let me see. No, you guys can't. But I could switch it, can't I? No, I can't. Wait, no, I should be able to. Hold on. Oh, yeah, you can. So yeah, this is the debug menu, or the sort of screen that pops up. As you can see, her mouth is open. Very nice. If I mute my mic, her mouth closes. There we go. I have tried to sort of lower my mic's volume to see if that works. And it doesn't seem to. It seems to still pick up some sort of sound in the background, whether it's, you know, the sound of my computer or something like that. You can also clamp it in Godot. Yeah, I haven't figured that out yet. I was too focused on trying to get it to work first. And obviously now would be to sort of adjust the sound so that it won't be annoying in that way. But yeah, it does work. I did figure it out. Lovely. So yeah, that's all nice and well. Wait, hold on. Let me swap back to Godot and stop this. But yeah, the mouth doesn't change in the viewport, which also was the reason why I needed to have a camera on it, because I couldn't see that without the camera. So yeah, there we go. All right. So with all that said and done, hold on. What am I looking for? Oh wait, did I not save it? Hold on. All right, so yeah, while I was working on this earlier today, I was sort of also brainstorming about things that I would want to do either in Godot or in some other thing. And I recalled someone whose work I find very interesting. If I remember correctly, they do use Godot and also Warudo. And here, I'm just gonna bring them up so I could sort of showcase some interesting things, things that I like, that I would, I guess, like to learn / try to do. Whoops. What the fuck? That was weird. Alright, so this person is called Feline Entity. And a couple cool things that they do. Number one, if I scroll down a little bit. Maybe a lot of it. You are able to upload a texture in the chat, and it will update the texture inside of I believe this is Warudo, what they're using, and that already is very cool. So yeah, as you can see here in the video, you could upload the texture image. It seems like it has to be a link, a Discord link, and it changes the texture of their lab coat. Very cool. Something that I don't know too much about is they've obviously updated things, or like sort of added their own things inside of Warudo. I'm not too sure what else they're using to sort of get that info from chat. I did read in one of their replies that they did set up the whole converting links into texture thing. So yeah, but I'm not 100% sure if they're using like Godot to do all that stuff, if they're somehow like communicating between Godot and Warudo to sort of do that stuff. This is stuff that I need to sort of figure out and learn. Another thing that they do, which is very cool, is they have something called Stream Buddies, which in Warudo, viewers can have little character creatures walking around, and it's very nice. I like that. But yeah, another very cool thing. Again, I don't know how they sort of set this up. I know that Warudo has some like very basic Twitch integration, and I don't know if you could set all this up. It probably require a lot of steps. You could also sort of set up your own blueprint nodes in Warudo as well, so probably a bit of that as well. But yeah, I don't know. It's very good inspiration slash inspiration. Because I had this idea before, like a super long time ago, of setting up something similar to this. Obviously before it was more of like a 2D idea, and there is a, I guess, application or whatever you want to call it that does that, called what's it called again? I have it bookmarked for this very reason. Stream avatars. How is that doing? But yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to balance the idea in my head, because if I want to do that, then I have to open up Warudo every stream I do. Obviously not every stream, because I feel like Warudo might be too intensive to have open all the time. So obviously I'd probably default back to, what's it called? The PNG that I use nowadays. But if I were just to do basic Blender stuff, then I could probably use Warudo as an overlay. I'd probably set up 2 overlays. One with the 3D when things are a bit less intensive, and when I switch to something more intensive, I could swap to the 2D version and just not have to worry about that. But yeah, it is interesting. I'm not too sure exactly what I want in that sort of sense. Yeah, they definitely do. They do make their own custom plugins, or I don't know if you would call them plugins. I forgot what they're called. But they do stuff on there. I'm not too sure how any of that stuff works, but obviously if I want to sort of do something similar, I could look into that. Yeah, kind of like scripts. Here, let me put this back up. Because, yeah, Warudo uses something like this. It's kind of like a blueprint feature. Where you have, like, boxes, and they do certain stuff, and they flow into each other. But you could also add custom boxes, custom blueprints into Warudo. And even post them on the, I guess, like, workshop that Warudo has. So I assume they've done something like this. If I scroll super far down, I could definitely see some of their work. They do have, like, it's kind of like, I guess, geometry nodes when there's just a bunch of spaghetti code. Oh, here it is. Holy shit. That's a lot of shit. But yeah, I don't know. I just remembered this guy a super long time ago. I saved some of his work because it looked interesting. And now that I'm sort of trying to do something, I guess something similar, although just like dipping my toes in it a little bit, I did remember their work and look back at it a bit as, I guess, inspiration for what to do. Is it Unode? Other coding is very similar. Like what other games call variable is just attribute in Blender. Yeah, I know Unreal does it too. Unreal has a sort of like blueprint box feature using blueprints instead of actual code. It is very interesting. Oh god. I'm just like talking. Alright. So. I wonder, hold on. I wonder if I raise this up, will it change things? Oh wait, hold on. Is what I'm doing? Hold on. Oh wait, hold on. I want to see where our volume is at by default. Oh, it's like decimals. Oh, maybe I should multiply the volume by like a few thousands or something. Because this is very small numbers to work with. This work. Oops. Let's try that. Okay, I think if I set this up as if the volume is greater than 4. Oh, that actually kind of works. Maybe 4 is a bit too small, but maybe let's make it like 8 or something. Or I could even make it. I think when I talk, it goes up to like. Sorry. It goes up to like double digits. So I could just set it up to 10 and it should work still fine. Yeah, that works. Perfect. Oh, you guys can't see that, right? I need to swap this every time. It kind of works, yeah. But you know, it's not like lip syncing or anything like that. It's just reacting to the volume being more than a certain amount. Where is it? Variable is more. Wait, what? Mechanical variable. Variable is more like data storing method. Most of uses to store info like speed, direction, state of player. Shouldn't you do / for divide? Random worlds, that makes 0 sense. Oh, sorry. Hello, Zotic. How are you? You should install auto switch for OBS. I have looked into that. A bit. I haven't really talked about it because I didn't really get anything out of it. From what I've seen, it switches the scenes, not the sources. I might have to look into it some more. But yeah. Oh, that's good. Good. Glad everything is going well. All right, let me stop this because it's just constantly outputting a numbers. Oh, it seemed to automatically go back to the Godot screen. Oh, I wanted to test something out, but it seemed like it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. Never mind. Okay. Oh, where were you gotching? What game? I'm still saving up. I'm waiting for another 10 pull before I continue with trying to get that one girl from Wuthering Waves. I already forgot her name. Oh, really? Who did you get? I'm not too sure who's in the banner right now, since I'm not playing it currently. Alright, hold on. The Herda. Oh, yeah. I have heard of her. The main Herda. Not just the, what's it called? The sort of robot doll version of her. That's good. Oh god, I'm like back to nothing. Still trying to get that one character. The last time I did rolls, is it you could set it your voice is below certain volume, it will not run for optimization. Yeah. Yeah, they were very bad. That did not go well, and I'm still, I guess, saving for her. I'm still trying to get her even now, but that's sort of off-stream stuff. Yeah, that's what I did. I set it so that where is it? Oh. I looked at what the volume was, and anything below a certain amount, I just left it as is. Also, I think when I press play, it like plays back my voice. Can you guys hear like double of me? Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, it's only when I hit play. Or when I test it out. Yeah, because it plays the audio back to me. I wonder if there's a way for me to disable that while still capturing the audio. I'm not too sure. Alright, either way, I'm gonna clean up a bunch of this stuff because holy shit, it's gotten very messy. There's a lot of things that I've hidden. And there's a lot of prints that were there just for testing that we don't need anymore. But yeah, if I tried to switch this back to 53, which was the shape key for the tongue sticking out, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. I guess I could give it a try. Now that I know that it works. I kind of forgot if I did give it a try. Alright, hold on. Oh, it's because I did this. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Oh no, it does work. What? Weird. I don't know. It does actually work. I don't know what happened or what changed for it to work now and not before. Anyway, now that this is figured out, and I actually clamped it down, which is very nice. I don't know if this is like the official way to do it, but I kind of found a bit of a weird way to do it. I do want to look at this video that I mentioned yesterday. It looks like it's a tutorial on how to install a plugin that allows Twitch integration, the Gift plugin. Because I want to see how that works. I've tried to install it like a super long time ago, but I couldn't figure it out. And there wasn't any tutorials on how to do it back then. And this tutorial came out like 13 days ago, so it actually came out at a pretty good time. So we'll take a look at this, because I want to see how it works, and if you could do anything interesting with it. But first, I will be right back. So yeah, BRB. Hello, I'm back. Okay. What did I want to do? Maybe before we watch that video talking about the Twitch integration plugin, I do actually want to see if there's a way to sort of turn off the audio coming back to you. So there's no echo. Let me see. What would the... I'm trying to think what sort of the name would be without... Or maybe something that I have to change within the audio bus, question mark. Anyway, I'm only using the Spectrum analyzer, so I could technically delete or I could actually just deselect them. I wonder if that changes anything. Let me check, hold on. Nope, it still captures it. So that's not it. Solo, mute, bypass, bus options, duplicate bus. Maybe it's the audio stream player. Playing autoplay. Or maybe playback? Question mark. I was gonna say, oh god, I have like so much. I have so many tabs opened up because of just looking up a bunch of random shit to do with Godot. It was the same issue yesterday. I had like over 30 tabs opened up, or something crazy like that. Not both record and play audio. Let's see. Record bars. Audio board. I wonder what happens if I turn this off. Let me see. Okay. That's what it does. I figured. Playback type. Let's see. It doesn't tell me a difference sample. Wait. Let's try myself. No, I still have myself there too. That's not it. Oh, you just open up the documentation. Oh, okay. I should have done that a long time ago. Do wonder what will happen if I delete it, because technically, am I using it for anything? Let's see, audio stream player. I don't think we are. There's no way to like disable it or anything like that. I'm gonna just delete it and see what happens. Okay, never mind. We do need it. It doesn't capture my voice if I don't have it. But it's weird that, well, I guess I'm not using it as a variable, but it being there is I guess good. The audio stream player node plays an audio stream non-positively to the different user interface menus. To use this node, stream needs to be set to a valid audio stream resource. I think maybe I could just turn the volume down. Wait, the volume's already at 0. What? Pitch scale. Oh, no, that doesn't work. I guess in terms of a game, it is working as intended. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Because it requires you to. It requires, I guess, like, Godot. Maybe. I feel like there must be some way. Well, maybe I just don't know where to look. Um, Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Let me try this. Hmm. Uh. Uh. Okay. I think that worked. I think. Yes. It looked like it did work. So yeah. Perfect. What a small little thing. But yeah, it does work. So the output still changes based on my mic volume being high. But it no longer plays back. So that's good. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Fantastic. All right. So now that's done. That took a while, I think. Let's look at this video that I talked about, connecting Twitch chat to Godot 4.3 with Gift 4.1.5 plugin by what a weird name. I Heart Funny Boys. That's their YouTube channel. All right, let me listen to this.
Hi, I'm iHeart Funny Boys. I'm a Godot game dev, and today I'm going to be showing how to integrate the Gift Twitch chat integration plugin into Godot. I'm using Godot 4.3 and Gift 4.1.5. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open Godot, and then I'm going to create a new project, and I'm just going to call it Twitch integration, render, just compatibility, because it doesn't really matter right now. And once the project's loaded, I'm going to go to the asset lib. I'm going to search for Twitch, and I'm going to select Gift, Godot IRC for Twitch, install that, download all of the relevant included files, including the example, open the example scene, and then I just took a look.
Oh shit. You're moving too fast. So my eyes itchy for some reason. All right.
There's a bunch of control nodes connected for a user interface, and some logic there that was interesting.
Wait, what'd she say?
Open the example scene, and then I just took a look a bit. There's a bunch of
Open the example scene. So this one here.
control nodes connected for a user interface, and some logic there that was interesting. And capital G gift.gd is going to be the main logic for this example. And what they're looking for is in the example directory an auth.txt file. So I went ahead and made one of those to fill in with my configuration settings, client ID, client secret, and initial channel.
Auth text. Oh, I see. Wait, hold on. Yeah. There's not one by default. Maybe that's what I got wrong.
And I will, yeah, I'll copy those in and then I'll show you how to find them. So
Okay. Oh, so you could open that. Ah, I see, okay.
you're going to need to go to dev.twitch.tv, click your console.
Dev.twitch.tv. I definitely do remember this. Dev.twitch.tv. Twitch developers home. Your console.
And if you're already logged in, you can just go to register your application. give it a unique name. So I included my handle at the beginning. Don't want to include Twitch. That's a mistake I made here. You don't want to include Twitch in the name. And then category, I picked game integration.
Apparently already have one. I don't know if it's set up the right way. Let me see. Oh yeah, game integration, yeah. Alright, let's continue.
And client type, it's very important you select confidential. It's the only way.
Confidential. Okay, hold on. I am pausing a lot. Okay, yeah, it is already set as confidential.
You get the client secret. And then for the O authorization URL, I actually found that in the gift underscore node. .gd file. So you definitely don't want that. It's a local host and then some specific numbers at the end. It's hard coded in.
Do I have the same one? 29. Oh, I do. Okay.
Confirming I'm not a robot, but of course I did have Twitch in the name, so I had to go back and take that out before I could really prove that I'm not a robot. And it was surprisingly hard, but I'm not a robot. So anyway, then it shows up in your development.
Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait, no. Okay, sorry, I was just looking at something.
Applications, you click manage, and if you go down to the bottom, you can see your client ID. So copy that and replace where that was in your auth.txt file. Here we go. Paste. Okay. And then we generate a new secret. It's going to warn you about it because the new secret will make your other secrets invalid. So copy the new secret and paste that in for client secret. And then initial channel, I did I Heart Funny Boys. That's my channel name, and I wanted to interact with my own channel for this.
Oh, she blocked out her secret, which tells me that I should probably do the same. Let me hide the screen.